Good morning, everybody. It's your boy, Dr. Dre, tapping in with Speed Doc 713. First thing in the morning, saying, what's up? Good morning to the birds. What's up? What's up? So I got this, and I've been looking for this for a long time. This is the DSC box, DSC Sport box. If you have they make this for a lot of different cars. For Porsches and for Corvettes, this box here supposedly works wonders. It's been on back order for the longest, so I've actually found this off of a guy on Renlist who was selling his 911 to get into another 911. So I'm gonna try this. What this thing does, it's supposed to be plug and play. It's supposed to add more elements or more parameters to the sports suspension system. It's supposed to really purify, if you will, the handling dynamics of the car. So I'm gonna go downstairs. It's early in the morning before work. I'm gonna try to go down and see how quick and easy this is supposed to be. Okay. I don't know if I'll be able to get a video of me installing, but it's supposed to go behind the back seat. So let's see, y'all. And I also got a new. Let me see here. Got this new DJI camera. So I'm gonna try to fool with this. Let's see what this is talking about. All right, so hang tight, everybody. All right, so supposedly you access this thing in the back seat. So let's see here. They say you're supposed to pull up the carpet. Right. Okay, so I got it loose. It took some prying. The connectors just slide right on out. And you can see the factory box for PASM compared to the DSC box. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install them. All right. Whew. So I got in the back of there, installed it. Let's see. All right. So let's see the first startup with the DSC box in, see if we have any error messages. Well, so far so good. A little chilly out here. I'll give you guys my driving impressions in a moment. Let's see. Let's make sure everything is working right in here, though. Yeah, this is dope. The car didn't handle bad before, but it did leave some stuff to be desired. And this solved it all the way. Like, this is how this car handles is like on another level now. Like, I'm truly impressed. Truly impressed. Like, I'm in the sports setting and it's not jarring. It's like it has the right amount of compliance without like rattling your teeth and all that kind of stuff. Like this is, and it's the closest thing I can tell you is that this thing reminds me of a twin turbo RX-7 in terms of how that handles. Like, the FD-RX-7 by far was one of my most favorite vehicles that I've owned. Going to mention what speed that was, but the FD-RX-7 was one of my most favorite vehicles, if not the most favorite vehicle I've ever owned. And mainly because of how that car handled. And this car handles like that car now without the element of fear and danger, because the FDRX7 did not have, like stability control and that kind of stuff. It was a little bit more raw experience. I do want to get another one. I kind of want to have that as a project car. They're creeping up in values though now. But yeah, this setup is fantastic. So this is a little short video for you guys. Like I said, I've got some new tires coming. I've got some performance goodies coming as well for this car. And then I've got a couple of other aesthetic mods coming as well. So, and I'm trying to keep you guys updated and keep the videos rolling. Right now, it's been kind of tough to get to all that editing just because I got some clerical stuff and growth happening at the business. So that kind of takes precedence, of course. But until then, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, share the videos, and tap in with me. Comment below what you think about it. Comment below about anything else, y'all. Y'all have a great day.